All right, so we are at Seville airport and we've just picked up the car and we haven't named it yet, have we? No, Bruce is going to name this one because he's responsible for it. So we'll find out the name of the car at some stage. And we are just about to go and jump on in. We've toileted ourselves and we're heading down south. First stop is, I don't know how to say it, let's go Cadiz. The first stop is Cadiz. That's where we're aiming for at this stage. So we'll show you what we see as we go. All right, so this little car is an Opel Crossland, and this is our car. There's Jen and Bruce inside. The Opel Crossland. This is the car that's going to take us all over Spain. Let's get rid of the sticker on it. Let's let somebody else get rid of that sticker. All right, we are on our way. Bruce has started it, and it's time to go. Righto, we're just coming into the town or city of Cadiz, and we go up over the bridge here. So I thought I'd give you a bit of video to show you what we're seeing. The bridge is very, very cool. Goes high up over the water, and we'll get there eventually. Maybe I started too early. I'm only allowed to drive at 80 k's an hour. So we're almost to the bridge. It kind of reminds us of the Anzac Bridge in Sydney. It has big concrete pylons and stringers like this. There you go. We're going through the bridge or over the bridge. It's very cool. The other side, we're on the Cadiz Peninsula, where the town of Cadiz is. We're heading for the old town. We're heading towards the Cathedral to have a squiz there, and the area around that. We have just parked our car, and we're heading up here to the Cadiz Cathedral. Magnificent looking building. Looking out over here, the Atlantic. Nothing out there. Bruce down here taking a photo. So we're in the crypts here at the moment, and I don't know if you'll be able to hear it, but I'm going to just bring you over here a little bit because the acoustics in this room are just spectacular. Have a listen. bell tower. Heading up the bell tower. It's a ramp. It's quite steep. I think we'll have burning cars by the time we get to the top. We'll see how we go. Alright, so just heading up the last little bit here. Really tight, narrow spiral staircase right to the top just here. Here at the top. Cathedral just there. It's pretty windy here, sorry for any of the wind noise. The city of Cadiz. The bells on the bell tower, they ring every 15 minutes apparently. The port over here, the port of Cadiz. Well, you can't see us very well because it's really bright out there, but behind me is the port city of Cadiz. And we are just waiting here for about another minute. The bells in the tower are due to ring. Jen's just standing there under a bell. Don't know which bell. There's a number of bells up here, but don't know which one's going to ring. She's standing here under the bell, and we'll find out in a minute. Right over there, there is a little shop on the corner. You can see it there. It's called Casa Hidalgo, and they make pastries. And we've just bought some pastries, and we'll show you what we bought. Well, Bruce is yumming and moaning and groaning about how amazing his donut tastes there.
He's drooling.
And he's got another thing under there, under his leg, which is coated in sugar. I have one of those as well. We'll open this up and we'll show you. Jen, tear it apart. Casa Hidalgo. So, look at that thing there with lots of sugar on it. Oh, that looks amazingly good, and that's mine. This is chocolate. It's hard to see here. Kind of like a chocolate caramel kind of bonbon sort of thing with nuts, and Jen's got, it looks like a meringue on top of shortbread almost.
Yeah, sure.
All right. Oh yeah, there's my chocolate one. Look at that. Oh, yum. All right, there's my big chocolatey, caramelly chocolatey thing, and it is so heavy. It's gonna put on 300 grams of weight on me. It weighs monstrous amounts. Hold your hand out, Bruce. Feel how heavy this is.
I just tasted the alcohol. It's pretty heavy. Probably got a stone inside of it.
I think it's full of chocolate or something. So, bon appetit. Quick, I gotta show you. Look at it. It's oozy chocolate.
Loosen it all.
Oozy chocolate sauce. How good is that? I don't know if you can see out there, but the colour of the water is just beautiful, bluey green, and very, very clear. You might not be able to tell that on the video, I'm not sure, but yeah, it's just beautiful here. Well, we've just arrived at the town of Tarifa and we found a parking spot. We don't know if we're actually allowed to park there or not. We were looking for a parking meter, there doesn't appear to be one. So, and there's lots of other cars parked where we are too. So I think we're okay. Anyway, we'll risk it for the biscuit at the moment. So we're just heading up towards one of the beaches up here. And we'll talk to you about Tarifa and exactly where we are in just a few minutes. So down here right at the point is an old castle type thing here. And it's the middle of winter and you can see people out here on the beach. So one of the reasons why we have come here and why we call Bruce, sorry for any of the wind noise, I hope you guys can hear this. But yeah, one of the reasons is that this side over here, you might be able to see the kite surfers and you can see the ocean and the sand and everything like that. This side over here is the Atlantic Ocean. And then if you turn around here, there's this narrow spit of land. And on this side here is the Mediterranean Sea. So on one side of the causeway we've got the Med, and on the other side we've got the Atlantic. It's very, very cool. So this is the point here where the two oceans meet. Oceano Atlantico Tarifa. Oceano Atlantico Tarifa. And then on the other side, Mar Mediterraneo Tarifa. Mediterranean Sea on this side, and the Atlantic on the other side. I like this side better at the moment because you can see the kite surfers. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit here for you. Okay, as far as the camera will go. What you can see over there, that mountain and everything, across the water, that is the top of Africa. That is dead set legit Africa over there. The top of Morocco. How amazing is that? It looks so close. We really feel like we could almost swim it. Like this guy just here. We could almost swim it like this guy here. But yep, there you go. Africa. So close. So close. It's about 12 kilometers away apparently. Not very far at all really. Amazing. So this area here was like an old American. It's called Isla. What is it? Isla del Tarifa. It is Tarifa Isle or Tarifa Island. And it used to be, well, there used to be like lookout stations. And there's a lighthouse and stuff out there. And then the army took it over in the war, and then kind of left it, disbanded it and everything, yeah, so unfortunately just like last time Jen and I were here, the gate is shut, so we can't go in, we can't get onto the island itself, which is a big shame because we would love to go and visit and explore and see a bit further, but we can't do that. Righto, so Bruce has named the car Alfonso. He thinks that's a nice Spanish name, so hi Alfonso, welcome to our family for the next little while. So we're piling in, we're leaving Tarifa now and we're heading for Algeciras. Algeciras, I don't know how you say it, Algeciras, which is where we're staying for the night. So we've just stopped at a little lookout here, and we're up on the hills, we're heading back towards Algeciras. And but right up on the top of the hill you get a great view of the Straits of Gibraltar here. This is called the Straits of Gibraltar, the ocean section, and Africa on the other side. Look at that, how amazing. That's Morocco over there, and right out on the very far point out over here there's a community, a small Spanish territory. There's a Spanish territory right on the very tip of Africa over there. And then the rest of it here is Africa. Just blows me away.